Hello, here is an easy way to see which students you've responded to and which students you haven't. I'm going to pop into my course here, and I'm already on the discussions part of the course. And what to do is to go to the discussion that you're interested in, click on this little drop-down menu, and collect View Topic in Grid View. This will make it easier so you don't have to click on each individual student's topic. You could simply scroll down to check out which students you've replied to, which students you haven't, by looking for your name underneath each discussion thread. That's, to me, the easiest way to do it. I'm not sure quite of another way, but I hope this helps. Thank you. Bye.